Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought I should film one today. I have a lot of new goodies. I have a lot of Urban Decay stuff. I have Hourglass. I have new lashes to try out, so I'm very excited for this video. And also, I've noticed on my last first impressions, I didn't do as much as like reviewing, like explaining the product, how it felt. So I'm gonna amp it up a little this time. You know, you live and you learn, so that's what I'm doing today. I already moisturized my face and I did put on eye cream. I feel like I don't have anything new for skincare, although I do have a new Origins product. It's right here. I got it in this really cute packaging, and let me show you guys how the packaging looks like. So this is the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. I feel like it's gonna be kind of like moussey. So it is a primer. It's not like a face cleanser or anything, but I do have what it claims to do. So I'm gonna get that paper. Okay, so the new Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. It's a innovated cooling technology primer that minimizes pores, and it also has a hint of tint to it. So it is going to keep your face moisturized. That's what it says. Let's try it. I'm gonna shake it. Oh my god. This is it right here. I'm so excited. It's literally like a mousse, and it's also tinted like it said it was going to be. Oh, it feels really cooling on my fingers. So let's start applying. Very moisturizing for sure, but it's not shiny or anything. Wow, this is so cool, and it's very tacky also. I'm not sure once it dries down how it's gonna feel. So right off the bat, it does feel moisturizing once you apply it, but then like once it starts drying, it does look a little bit drying, but I kind of sort of like that. But since I do have a little bit of dry areas, I am going to be trying another primer, so let me get that really quick. Okay guys, so this is the new Benefit Professional Soft Radiance Face Primer, and I have not tried this primer. I've heard really good things about it, but are they true? Are they true? So this is how the packaging looks like. It's the same exact packaging as the Professional one, the first one they came out with. But I'm very excited. I guess this is like a pearl primer, like it's more radiant. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a little bit. I'm gonna apply this wherever my dry areas are. So right here. Wow, it does blur out your pores. I have like a few pores right here. I did switch up my makeup routine, so now I do my eyebrows first, and then my eyes, and then my foundation and my bronzer and lashes and all that at the end. Like I say in every single video, I do have an eyebrow routine, and I will link it down below. But yeah, I'll be right back with my brows. Alright guys, so I have my brows done, and like I always do, I'm going to prime my eyelids really quick. And I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. So now with a little flat kabuki brush, I'm just going to blend it out. Alright, so now I'm just going to be setting under my brows, because I don't set my eyelid anymore. I just set right above here. So right after that, I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow, and I have a lot of palettes in front of me that I'm very excited to try, and I don't know which ones because they're literally like a lot. Like I have the Urban Decay Christine Leanne palettes right here, this one right here, the Daydream palette. I also have the new Morphe 24G palette, and then I have the Troublemaker palette right here. I have a lot of palettes to try out. I feel like I should try the Christine Leanne palette. Maybe I can do another tutorial using the Morphe 24G. I feel like I use a lot of Morphe palettes, so let's just switch it up a little. And I'm just gonna be taking this palette right here. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did do a little swatch IG story swatching the Christine Leanne collection. If you guys want to follow me, all my social medias are down in my description box, just saying. Okay, so I'm gonna first start off by using the Christine Leanne Daydream palette, and it looks like this. The packaging is very cute. So I'm gonna be taking taking Daydream first, this shade right here, with this Makeup Shack T43 brush. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of this, and then I'm just going to apply this on my crease. And also, thank you guys so much for the love on my recent video with my sister. You guys really made her happy. I do like the shade, but I feel like I want a little bit of more orangey, so I'm going to take 1212, but I'm going to take that and just apply this all over my crease. It is a very cute palette, perfect for traveling. All the colors here are very wearable. But now I'm going to go into the Stay Gold palette. I think that's what it's called. This is the Cali D-Scope Dream. I don't know, but it looks like this. There's like a lot of beautiful shades in here. This shade is called Tahine, and I think that's such a cute name. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here with a M531 brush. And I think I'm going to apply this shade right here on the outer V. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. I'm just gonna focus this on the outer corner. As I pack it on each time, it shows more vibrant, so that's perfect. So I'm also taking this shade like above right here because I want to do like a cut crease. What's new? So this one right here, this is a Makeup Addiction tapered crease brush, and I'm just going to take the same Tahine shade and just apply some right here. Alright, so now that our eyes look like fire, I'm going to start cutting my crease. You guys always ask me what brush I use to cut my crease, and I use the MAC 242 brush. This is it right here. I really love this brush to cut my crease because it's very flat, as you guys can see, like very flat. And then also I use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I apply some on the back of my hand, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with this concealer. So now I'm just going to kind of like look down into a mirror, and then I just draw a line. And after I draw that little like thick line, I just look up and down and see if I get any transfer up in my crease, because we don't want that. See right there? That's where we need to stop. A lot of people say it's very satisfying when you cut the crease, and I feel you. It is very satisfying. This brush is from IT Cosmetics. I'll list it down below. All I do is just kind of like get rid of the harsh line in between the concealer and the shadow. So now I'm going to go back in with this palette, and I'm going to be taking this one right here. This one is called Leo. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade and apply it on here. That is so pretty. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of Fix Plus. I feel like this helps the shade to pop out even more. Oh yeah, look at that. So I'm just going to clean this up. Alright, so now that we have that on, I'm going to move on to my foundation. This foundation I've never used. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I got it in 2 shades, just in case one didn't match. I got 228 and I also got 332. So maybe if I mix these two, it would be like the perfect shade for me. But let's just try it. This is normal to oily skin. So first I'm going to be taking 332 and I'm going to just dot this all over my face. Okay, so far I'm liking the color, because look at that, that's like a perfect match for me. I got 2 thinking that it was gonna be too dark for me, so yeah, 332 is a good shade for me. So now I'm just gonna blend it with my Tarte Kabuki brush. I don't know the brush name of this, but I will list it down below. Look at that coverage, oh my god. Wow. So far, this foundation is amazing and it feels like you have nothing on your skin. You guys, I'm like dead serious. It feels like skin. Alright guys, so far I am obsessed with this. I feel like this is gonna replace my Wet n Wild Focus foundation because it's that good, you guys. And again, I am in the shade 332. Now I'm gonna do my concealer. I'm gonna be taking my Kevyn Aucoin concealer really quick. Just conceal any dark areas that we have going on. And I don't have a new concealer for this tutorial. I'm very sorry. So now I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. Surprise, surprise. Just apply this. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Alright you guys, so now that we have that pretty much good to go, I'm going to go in with my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. This is in the shade EC09. I'm just going to be adding 3 dots right there. And I'm just going to be taking my Morphe G40 brush and just blend it out. Alright guys, so I'm very excited to set my under eyes because I'm going to be using the original RCMA no color powder. I'm super excited. This is actually going to be my first time trying this powder. Very crazy because a lot of people have talked about this powder, so now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of powder and then setting. So far it's a good powder. It looks flawless under your eyes, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, like it's not brightening my under eye, which is very weird. So now I'm just gonna bronze up my face with this e.l.f. bronze palette, and these are the shades in the palette, which I don't know because they look very cool tone. So I don't know how this is gonna work and I'm very scared. So I'm just gonna try it out and see how it works. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. As you guys can see, it did bronze up my face. For lashes, I'm going to be taking Blush Lashes in Carta. And I've never tried this style. I've tried blush lashes, but not this style. So I'm excited and let's see how they look. Alright, so now I'm going to just take my Benefit Roller Lash. I'm just going to... And now I'm just going to apply my lashes. Okay, I'm really loving these because on the outer corner. We didn't add any dark shade right there, so I feel like the lashes really do make up for it. Alright, so now for the lower lashes, I'm going to be taking the same shade that we took from the Daydream palette, and I'm going to take 1212. Now I'm going to be taking Tahine. Alright guys, so for the next product, I'm very excited to try this because these are the new Vanish Flash Highlight Sticks, and I'm really excited because I already love the vanishing sticks, so I'm very excited to try these, and they come in a silver packaging. So this one right here is called Champagne Flash. This is a very pretty gold, but it's a very like bright gold. So alright, so I'm going to be using Champagne Flash. Alright, so for highlight, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Ice Glow Eye and Face Palette. So let's see how it looks on top of this. Oh my god. Once we're done with that, I'm just gonna now apply this on my inner corner. I always apply my highlights on my inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to lip line my lips. I'm going to take my lip liner from LA Girl. This is not a new lip liner, but this is the only thing I have that's kind of new to me, but I'm loving it. This is from the Kristen Leanne collaboration. It's in the shade Bun Bun. And I don't have any type of new setting spray, so I'm going to take my Too Faced Hangover RX makeup spray. Alright guys, so this concludes the makeup tutorial. So all in all, I feel like the products are amazing. I will let you guys know on the description box if the foundation hold up well. The primer was really good. This foundation is literally like, I think this is going to replace my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's so good, and it's a matte poreless. I feel like the name says it all. It is matte, but it's not super matte where your skin looks dry. So I really recommend this if you are oily. I love the eyeshadow. I love the lashes. I give the Origins primer a thumbs up. I also give the Benefit Radiance primer a thumbs up. The only thing I was a little, I mean, as you guys can see under my eyes, it does look flawless. The only thing, it didn't brighten my under eyes as I wanted to, like as the Maybelline does to my under eye or the Laura Mercier, but it's a really good powder. I really like the finish of it. I do like this. I will be using this again. I was really blown away with the Hourglass Vanish Flash Stick Highlights. They are super pigmented. Definitely I will be using this again. The Kristen Leanne palette is amazing. I love how pigmented the eyeshadows look on my eyes. Like, I love this shade right here. This shade is everything, and I give this palette a thumbs up. Also, the Maybelline Icy Glow, I have this shade as my highlight right now, and it's poppin'. Like, look at this highlight. I did like the e.l.f. bronze palette, but I feel like it could have been a little bit more orangey. You guys know that I love my BH Cosmetics Tropical Tan. That one's like the perfect shade to bronze and contour with. It's my favorite, but these are a little bit more cool tone, which like I did like, but as you guys can see, it does look really good, but I prefer my BH Cosmetics. Let me know on the comment bar if you guys own any of the products and if you guys also like the product. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys liked my first impressions. Like I said, I was trying to be more informative on this video and like really letting you guys know how the products worked and how they felt and how they performed on my face. That's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys!